We told the public we're going to tell them about a very unique Georgia law involved with Georgia probate.
That's right.
And this is something that only Georgia has in the United States. Is that right?
It is. It's
and what is it?
It's called a year's support. And a year's support is something that is unique to Georgia. I think we're the only state that has it. And it's been around for more than 100 years. And the purpose of a year's support is to protect the surviving spouse or minor children in the case of a death of a loved one. And regardless of whether or not there's a will, or there may not be, whether or not there are some debts the estate may have, such as credit cards or mortgages or automobile debt or things of that nature, the surviving spouse or the minor child can file a petition for year's support with the probate court. And what that will do is allow the court to review the assets of the estate and potentially make an award to the surviving spouse or minor children to help them out during that first year after the death of a loved one.
Now, as a practical matter, Jack, in Georgia, when you have that circumstance, let's say, for example, you got a young couple had the unfortunate circumstance of losing the wage earner in the family. They've got a lot of debt because they've just began their marriage, and they have a child. Can you set aside the entire estate for the benefit of the surviving wife and the children?
So a lot of that depends on the standard of living the family's accustomed to, and a lot of it is discretionary based on what the probate judge will award. Of course, a creditor would have the right to be notified and object, but one particular benefit for families is the abatement of taxes, and that can include ad valorem taxes on an automobile, or more importantly, real estate property taxes. So in the situation that a loved one dies and the surviving spouse files a petition for year's support, property taxes for either the year of death or the year that the petition was filed can be abated or essentially refunded by the local county tax commissioner.